Therefore, I want to appeal to you, everybody in AMAC should come out and vote ADC. Because ADC is going to replace the most corrupt government in this country.
Yes.
It is going to replace the most unpatriotic government in this country.
Yes.
It is going to replace a government composed of forgers and fake people in government.
Oh, yes.
Because they told us lies, they forge papers, and they forge everything.
Yes, the forgeries.
Today, of course, including laws. You know how they forge, our electoral act. You also know how they forge the tax law. A government of forgers, we should get rid of them.
Oh, yes.
And we can only get rid of them by making sure that we vote ADC in AMAC. Believe me sincerely, I am not here to either deceive you or to tell you a lie so that you can vote for. No, I swear to God Almighty that there is today no party that can salvage this country other than ADC.
Yes.
Because it is a coming together of the most patriotic Nigerians who felt that this country needed to be rescued. And we must rescue this country. And we cannot rescue this country without your own support. That's why I am here to specifically appeal to you to come out and vote. Besides that, I appeal to you, most of you are educated. Register online to vote. The registration is still on. You don't have to leave your place of businesses or your place of work to register. You can sit down in your room, in your bedroom, and register online and be able to vote.